Tonight, the chief judge of El Paso County has 20 days to explain why he won't release court records in the Robert Deere case.
Yeah, the Colorado Supreme Court is forcing the judge to explain why he's keeping that information from you. Now, it comes one day after the admitted Planned Parenthood shooter was moved to the State Mental Health Institute in Pueblo for a mental evaluation. KRDO News Channel 13's Greg Miller is live at the El Paso County Courthouse tonight.
And Greg, it's unusual for a case like this to be sealed.
James and Heather, it is the attorney who is representing 25 media organizations, KRDO News Channel 13 being one of those organizations, filed the motions to get those documents unsealed. He says it serves the public interest for that information to become public, but he's also worried that this could set a precedent, a dangerous precedent in his words, for future criminal cases.
You know who this lawyer is? He's the lawyer for the Batman shooter that drugged them all up, and that's what they want to do to me.
Courtroom outbursts are all we know about admitted Planned Parenthood shooter Robert Deere.
Seal the truth, huh?
But also
Kill the babies.
Something that's not okay with attorney Steven Zansberg.
that when an arrest warrant has been executed and the defendant has been taken into custody and is then formally charged, the affidavits of probable cause are unsealed pretty much in their entirety.
Court papers that are typically open to the public after a preliminary hearing remain sealed. So Zansberg asked the Colorado Supreme Court for the records, or at least clarification. The clerk who answered when I called Chief Judge Martinez's office today said he could not comment on specifics of the case or on the legal process taking place. But a defense attorney we spoke with said to have all arrest affidavits sealed like they have been in the Planned Parenthood shooting is unheard of.
But I've never seen a case where an entire arrest affidavit has been sealed.
Attorney Jeremy Lowe says if the court can justify why those records threaten the judicial process, Martinez's ruling could be upheld. But it's not easy.
With the ability to redact and keep out pertinent information that could be against the public interest, it'd be difficult to have the whole thing sealed.
Whether we will see those records now depends on the state's highest court. And if the state's highest court decides that that information should become public, we should start to learn more details about the shooting in at least the next 20 days. We're live in Colorado Springs tonight. Greg Miller, KRDO News Channel 13.
All right.